How to find random live videos on Instagram. Hello everyone, and in this video I will tell you how to find random live streams in the app Instagram. It's easy and simple, you just have to watch the rest of the video and repeat after me. First, open the Instagram app. Next we need to roll the main screen to the right to open the history creation page. Then we need to scroll left at the bottom of the screen and find the live option. And start it. Don't worry, no one will see it. It's just for a few seconds. Next, after you have started the broadcast, you need to click the share option in the bottom right corner to send the broadcast to any of your friends. Send. And then we can complete our broadcast. Now the most important thing. After you have completed the live stream, you go straight into your private messages and go into chat with the person you sent your broadcast to. What you see in the live stream was sent to your friend, but it's going to show the watch more option, and we click on it and we see live broadcasts of completely different people. That's it. Now you know how to find randomized live streams in the Instagram app. Thanks for watching.